Thank you for supporting veteran-owned and operated businesses. Today we'll be going over the disassembly and assembly of the Milspin Magnus utility knife. First thing you're going to want to do is use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the retaining screw. The next step is depressing the sliding button with your thumb and sliding the blade and button together, removing the knife from the body. Make sure you're careful with that blade. The next step is to replace your old blade with a fresh one. To assemble your Magnus, you want to ensure the spring is placed in the milled out pocket before placing the blade. Then ensure the blade is not completely depressed and a gap is maintained. Slide the button and blade into the housing, but ensure you're not forcing it. Then, use your Phillips head screwdriver again to set the screw into the Magnus utility knife. The Milspin Magnus utility knife is made in America by veterans, and we can't thank you enough for your support.